Hello everyone. We recently visited some friends who bought a house in a city nearby, and when we got the grand tour we were very impressed with how immaculate the bathroom looked. So even though it was a few years old, it looked very nice and tidy and clean, especially the grout lines, they were like new. So we asked them, how did you do that? And they've let us in on their secret. They told us we cleaned the bathroom using a steam cleaner. So we asked them, can we borrow it from you? They said yes, and we tried it on our own bathroom. So let's roll the footage and we'll tell you what we think of it. It's very easy to operate the steam cleaner. You just have to fill it up with a liter of tap water, connect the nozzle, select the amount of steam you want to generate. You can choose between none, then it is locked, halfway or full. Plug it in, switch it on and wait for 30 seconds. Then you're ready to go. The grout lines definitely improved a lot during the steam cleaning. On the floor, for example, the grout lines were originally grey, but have turned brown over time. In this clip you can see the original color coming back. The mold on the sealant, however, was not really affected. The huge benefit of steam cleaning, in our opinion, is that no chemicals are needed, which is obviously good for a lot of things. So our final verdict: definitely give it a try, but don't expect miracles. There's still a decent amount of elbow grease needed. Do you have any tips on how to clean grout lines? Share your tips in the comments below.